In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade on TurboTax. If you signed up for a TurboTax product and later realized you want a lower cost option, the good news is that the process is usually straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to switch to a different TurboTax version from inside your account, and I'll also point out what to look for before you confirm the change so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, log into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the correct return before making any changes, especially if you have more than one tax file in your account. Once your return is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of that sidebar and click on Switch Products. This is the area where TurboTax lets you review other versions of the service and make changes to the product tied to your return. After that, click Downgrade. This will take you to the available downgrade options for your current return. Depending on your situation, you may see more than one product listed, so take a moment to choose the TurboTax product you want to downgrade to. Pick the one that best matches the level of support and features you actually need. If TurboTax gives you a prompt such as Remove Expert Help or another downgrade option, go ahead and select the option that fits your preference. This step is important because some upgrades are tied to added support or extra services, and removing those can be part of lowering your plan. Once you've made that selection, click Continue. TurboTax should then show you a summary of the pricing and feature changes. This is where you'll want to slow down for a second and review everything carefully. Check for any differences in support, filing help, or included tools so there are no surprises after the switch. When you're comfortable with the changes, confirm your selection. This finalizes the downgrade and updates your product level for the return you're working on. After that, you can continue working on your tax return using your downgraded TurboTax product. At this point, the interface may look very similar, but some premium features or expert assistance options may no longer be included, so just keep that in mind as you move forward. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.